Okay, this is my Rane performance update. Yeah, but I have issue about my sound. My main output sound is not working. This one is not working. The indicators are showing, but the sound is not coming out. It's not coming out, but my boot is working, but the main is not coming. So I will try it for you guys to see. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and I've connected the boots line through my mixer over here. So it's my line. That's it. Yeah. This is my channel, microphone channel 2. The channel 1 2 is not working, so I'll connect them. So I'm using my cable, so a cable into my mixer over here. Yeah, and I'm trying to open the line. It's not working. The sound is, but the boot is working. Yeah, my line is not working. Yeah, so I'll change the cable and I'll use different cable for you guys to see. The fault is not from my cable, it's from the mixer. I let my brother purchase it for me from Germany, and it came, it's not working, and I can feel under here it's very hot. It's very hot, and I can feel some heat coming through the fan to this place. If you touch, you can feel there is a heat. It's very hot. If you touch it, I can feel it. It's very hot. I'm to change the cable. This is my cable, left and right.